Welcome to Vivint. You've taken the first step to a safer and smarter home. Now let's go over how your system works, what happens when an alarm is triggered, and some tips to avoid false alarms. Arming your system basically tells it to watch your doors, windows, and sensors. When your home is armed, it is actively being protected against intruders. There are two types of armed statuses: armed stay and armed away. Armed stay is for when you're home. You can move around freely while the system protects your perimeter doors and windows. Armed away is for when you're leaving the home and want to prevent anyone from entering, activating both the perimeter and indoor motion sensors for full coverage. When arming your system from the panel, you have an exit delay timer that allows you to leave your home before the system officially arms. The timer is automatically set to 60 seconds. Next, here are 3 unique passwords you'll need in order to operate your system and confirm emergencies. Your main PIN lets you access your system, including arming and disarming. You'll set up your main PIN with your Vivint technician. Just make sure you choose a PIN that you can easily remember. If our professional monitoring team calls you, they will ask for your verbal passcode to verify who you are. You'll set up your verbal passcode with your Vivint technician. If you need a silent way to call for help at home, like in the case of a domestic emergency, you can enter a duress pin into the panel and receive the help you need. This pin will silence the alarm, but quietly connect to our station. Just remember, your duress pin will be different from your main pin. Your Vivint technician will show you the duress pin. When you return home, you'll have an entry delay time so you can disarm your system via the app or with your main PIN at the panel. The entry delay time is automatically set to 30 seconds, but you can adjust this time in your panel settings. If you disarm your system after the entry delay time has expired, just tap "Everything is okay" on the panel to confirm that you are okay. If you can't silence the alarm in time, don't worry. One of our monitoring specialists will reach out through the panel and ask for your verbal passcode to verify your identity. If no one answers from the panel, we'll call your phone. If we're not able to confirm that everything's okay, then we will contact local authorities to make sure you get help as soon as possible in the event of an emergency. If we still can't reach you, we'll reach out to your emergency contacts to make sure everything is okay. Your safety is our priority. Please note, some cities require a permit for dispatching authorities, so check your local requirements and visit your official city or county website. Here are 5 tips to help you avoid common false alarms. Number 1, check your system status before leaving or entering, especially if you're in a hurry. Number 2, be mindful of your entry delay timer so you have enough time to disarm before the alarm sounds. Number 3, make sure everyone in your home knows how to arm and disarm the system, along with knowing your main PIN and verbal passcode. Number 4, consider adding keypads near frequently used doors for faster, easier access. Number 5, there are even more ways to personalize your experience, like smart actions in the Vivint app. You can explore how to tailor your system to your home at support.vivint.com. Congrats! Now you're a Vivint alarm expert. Feel free to explore support.vivint.com for more help, and don't ever hesitate to ask us any questions, big or small. We're here for you 24/7.